today's video, we're going to make our own liquid body wash and learn why you need to know how to make this fantastic do-it-yourself product for your home. Please like, share, and subscribe. I suffer from classic itchy legs, especially in the wintertime. And if I forget, or let's face it, don't feel like putting on moisturizer, my legs itch like crazy. And the body wash I was using did nothing when it came to moisturizing. So, I went on the hunt for a super hydrating wash, and this recipe was the amazing result. It's an effective cleanser and leaves my skin soft, supple, and best of all, flake-free. And of course, the ingredients are natural. Alright, let's get to it. We need 1 8-ounce PET plastic bottle, 4.5 ounces of Castile Soap. Castile Soap is antibacterial and an effective cleanser. It is also good for sensitive, prone skin. 2 ounces of fractionated coconut oil. Coconut oil is a deep moisturizer. It is an antioxidant, antifungal, and absorbs quickly. 1.5 ounces of raw honey. Honey is antibacterial, an antioxidant, and is moisturizing. It also opens pores, making them easier to clean. Essential oils I like to use is 12 drops of lavender essential oil, 12 drops of lemongrass essential oil, 5 drops of tea tree essential oil. Lavender essential oil induces calm and relaxation. It's an antioxidant, antibacterial, and antifungal. It supports against inflammation and improves blood circulation. Lemongrass essential oil is a natural cleanser and deodorizer. It's an antiseptic and an antioxidant. It supports against stress and anxiety and can support blood circulation. Tea tree essential oil is antibacterial, antifungal, and a lice repellent. Combine Castile Soap, coconut oil, and honey in a bowl and mix well. Then add lavender, lemongrass, and tea tree essential oils and stir. Place mixture in an 8-ounce amber plastic PET bottle. Shake well and use. It's just that easy. Here's the recipe if you'd like a screenshot. Store in the fridge and use within 2 months for best results. Thanks for watching, and remember, subscribe, comment, and ring that bell for more wellness content at The Essential Journey, restoring the mind, body, and home with the power of nature.